Hey YouTube, what's going on today? I decided to make a video on this since there's not a lot of information out there, and I was about to lose my mind trying to figure this out. So I have an HHR SS. I'm trying to change the shifter cables, and after a long fight with GM, finally got the cables, got brand new linkages, and this is where the problem lies, which I found a solution for. Now, I don't know if it's like this for most vehicles, but what was happening is, you'll have to take my word for it because I don't want to take this thing off. This bottom lever went on fine. Once you line the holes up, goes on fine, pin goes in. This top one, what I'm finding is when I put it on, it wanted to spin either left or right, so it was doing this. So I put zip ties on there, nothing was working. Had a pin in there, push pin, started with the small one, get a feel for the hole alignment, moved up to a bigger one, 3/16 I believe, fit it in there, that way it's in the proper position while I'm trying to do the zip ties, which didn't work, cut them, about to lose my mind, saw this super tiny thin wrench, it's probably thinner than this. And what I did is I shoved it in between the bottom lever and the top lever in there, and pulled the pin out, the pin aligner that I had. Pulled it out gently so I wouldn't move that, and she stayed. It's not moving left and right, it's not popping up like it was. Hopefully this helps some people trying to change the shift lever, because this was a problem for me and I was about to lose it. So as we do more work on this car, I'll be uploading more, because as of right now there is almost nothing about HHR SS out there. So hopefully if someone's changing their shifter cables and their levers, hopefully that helps you.